Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: the original Jio Set Top Box USB cable or a high-quality USB-A/USB-C data cable, and a phone that supports USB OTG. Once done, make sure your phone has at least 20% battery and battery saver is off so transfers won't pause. Enable developer options and set USB configuration to file transfer, MTP, so the set-top box can read storage. You do this now because the device must present storage immediately when connected to avoid detection errors. You next perform the connection, power off the Jio set-top box briefly, then plug the phone into the STB's USB port using the cable. Power the set-top box back on and observe its status light or on-screen message. Devices often initialize storage on boot. When the phone shows the USB prompt, accept it and select File Transfer or USB Storage. Make sure to keep the screen unlocked so the STB can enumerate the device. If the phone locks, the connection may drop and require reconnecting. You finish by opening the set-top box's media or USB app and navigating to the mounted phone storage. Play a supported video or image to confirm the link. Transfer any required files from phone folders as needed, and when done, safely eject the USB storage on the phone before unplugging to prevent corruption. If it fails, try another certified data cable, enable USB debugging to force recognition, or copy files to an SD card/USB drive via a computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.